Everyone, you might be wondering if TikTok actually has some sort of a version of like a TikTok Wrapped. Now, this is actually a very interesting thing because within TikTok, as all of us know, they have a lot of different cool features. Unfortunately, as of right now, there is no such thing as an official TikTok Wrapped. So there's no official TikTok way of kind of going through and getting a like wrapped feature that shows us kind of a layout of everything that we've done. Now, that doesn't mean in the future there can't be something like maybe next week, TikTok can go and drop something. But as of right now, there's not really an official way of kind of doing that. So kind of keep that in mind. There are third-party alternatives though that will allow us to do that. So kind of keep that in mind. There are some ways like natively that will allow us to do that. Third party, if you want to download a third party application, they allow us to do that. But there's not really a native way within TikTok that will allow us to get, that wrapped feature. So kind of keep that in mind. That's kind of one of those things to keep in mind there. So that's that. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.